राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः नमो नमः. I welcome you all to this class number 4 of the preparatory course for the exam Shri Surasaraswati Sabha Sringeri Prathama. Like always, let us begin with our prayer. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro. संस्कृतं कथमस्ति? संस्कृतं सुलभमस्ति. अतः किमर्थं सुलभमस्ति? किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते why? Because संस्कृत भाषा सरला भाषा. संस्कृत भाषा is really simple. And then तदर्थं, because of this अहम् अवश्यं संस्कृतं पठामि. Because of this I will for sure learn संस्कृतं. With these three dheya vakyas in our mind, let us begin today's class. There are a couple of more questions from the students related to the textbook, and hence I'm sharing this. The textbook for the course is Samskrita Bhasha Deepika, which is a textbook which is published by the Sabha, Surasaraswati Sabha. Currently, there is no soft copy which is available. However, for people who are staying outside India, I'll be showing the snippets of the textbook in the presentations, and you'll be able to know what is the content of the textbook until you can procure a copy for your own. So because of the COVID restrictions, currently the textbooks dispatch will be delayed, and kindly contact the Sabha office in the following address, phone number and email address, and they would definitely get back to you. Repeating the request again, so students who are ready to answer questions, to participate in the interaction, kindly raise your hands and be ready. As soon as I call out your name, please do unmute yourself and then answer and participate. अधुना प्रार्थना श्लोकान् वदामः. प्रथमतया तत्र गणेश श्लोकं वदामः. सौम्या भगिनी. अजन्निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकम्.
अजन्निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकम्.
निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम्.
निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम्.
श्रूयता? निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम्.
निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णम्.
उत्तमम्. परन्निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहम्.
परन्निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहम्.
परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम.
परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः. अजन्निर्विकल्पं निराकारमेकं निरानन्दमानन्दमद्वैतपूर्णं परन्निर्गुणं निर्विशेषं निरीहं परब्रह्मरूपं गणेशं भजेम. अग्रे शारदाम्बा श्लोकां वदति विमला भगिनी. माला सुधा कुंभ विबोध मुद्रा.
माला सुधा कुंभ विबोध मुद्रा.
विद्या विराजत करवारि जाताम्.
विद्या विराजत करवारि जाताम्.
अपार कारुण्य सुधाम्बुराशिम्.
अपार कारुण्य सुधाम्बुराशिम्.
श्री शारदाम्बां प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम्.
श्री शारदाम्बां प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम्. नित्यम्
उत्तमम्। माला सुधा कुंभ विबोध मुद्रा विद्या विराजत करवारिजाताम् अपार कारुण्य सुधाम्बुराशिं श्री शारदाम्बां प्रणतोऽस्मि नित्यम्। अग्रिम श्लोकः कृष्ण श्लोकः इंचरा भगिनी वदति। वसुदेवसुतं देवम्। इंचरा भगिनी कृपया अनम्यूट कृत्वा वदतु। अस्तु हाँ वसुदेवसुतं देवम्।
वासुदेवसुतं देवम्।
Listen carefully and repeat exactly in the same way. वसुदेवसुतं देवम्।
वासुदेवसुतं देवम्।
कंसचाणूरमर्दनम्।
कंसचाणूरमर्दनम्।
देवकी परमानन्दम्।
देवकी परमानन्दम्।
कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्।
कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्।
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। अग्रे व्यासश्लोकं शौर्या वदति। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यास विशाल बुद्धे।
नमोऽस्तु ते व्यास विशाल बुद्धे।
फुल्लारविन्दायत पत्रनेत्र।
फुल्लारविन्दायत पत्रनेत्र।
येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः।
येन तया भारत तैलपूर्णः।
प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः।
प्रज्वालितो रणः।
प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः।
प्रज्वालितो यानपनः।
Okay, I will repeat the second word. ज्ञानमयः।
यानमः य।
Carefully, listen carefully and repeat. ज्ञानमयः।
यानमयः मयः।
Very good. With practice you will get it. प्रदीपः।
प्रदीपः।
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यास विशाल बुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायत पत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। अग्रिम श्लोकं प्रति गच्छामः। शंकराचार्य श्लोकं प्रणय। शंकारूपेण मच्चित्तम्।
शंकारूपेण मच्चित्तम्।
पंकीकृतमभूत्यया।
Second line is not projected, sir.
Hope you are able to see it now.
Now, yes.
पंकीकृतमभूत्यया।
पंकीकृतमभूतया।
अभूद्यया।
Okay. पंकीकृतम अभूतया.
It is not abhud, it is not the, it is dya. Abhudyaya.
Okay, got you. पंकीकृतम अभूतया.
Okay, when you are telling it completely, the second line, pankikritam abhudyaya, we don't have to stop it. Since I told only the second word, I said it as abhudyaya. So pankikritam abhudyaya. If you remember, this is a gunitakshara. Pankikritam m plus a, which becomes ma. Pankikritam abhudyaya.
पंकीकृतम अभूतया.
Very good. किंकरी यस्य सामाया।
किंकरी यस्य सामाया.
शंकराचार्यमाश्रये।
शंकराचार्यमाश्रये.
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः
नमो नमः
शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूद्यया किङ्करीयस्य सामाय शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये अग्रे अभिनव विद्यातीर्थ महास्वामिनां श्लोकं वदामः I will call out तथागत विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञम् I am unable to hear you if you are speaking.
विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञं
धैर्यौदार्यक्षमानिधिं
धैर्योदार्यक्षमानिधिं
सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तं
सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तं
विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे
विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे
धन्यवादाः विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञं धैर्यौदार्यक्षमानिधिं सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तं विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे अग्रे भारतीतीर्थ महास्वामिनां श्लोकं प्रति गच्छामः क्षम्यतां रजनी भगिनी भारती करुणापात्रम्
भारती करुणापात्रं
भारती पदभूषणम्
भारती पदभूषणं
भारती पदमारूढम्
भारती पदमारूढं
भारती तीर्थमाश्रये
भारती तीर्थमाश्रये
उत्तमं धन्यवादाः I will tell this shloka as well. Since this is needed for our memorization, I have added it to this list. Ekamatro bhaved hrasvah dvimatro dirgha uchyate trimatrastu pluto gneyah vyanjanant vardhamatrakam. We'll go to I request all of you to practice all these shlokas every day. Just a minute. Astu. So there are a few questions about how to access the course page, the course materials, and how to search for the videos, etc. related to this course. I thought I will spare a few minutes to explain about this. So as you all know, the course page is, if you visit Sanskrit from Home website, it is SSS Prathama. It is also shown in the banner at the beginning. Or if you log in, you will be able to see the courses that you have enrolled into, and you will be able to access this particular page. And similarly, on YouTube, to go to our channel, you will have to search just YouTube space Vyoma in Google, and then that will lead to the Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala channel, which is I've just said it as VSP channel. And there, if you go to playlists, you can go to SSS Prathama, and from there you'll be able to access all the materials or the videos that are available. Now I will just quickly show this, so everyone is aware where to visit and how to go about for the materials and other related aspects of our course. So once you visit sanskritfromhome.in, ensure you're logged in. So once you log in, okay, so there's some issue. Okay, so yeah, once you log in, then you will be able to click on the banner, which is learn to the Saraswati Sabha Sringeri Prathama. In the banner, once you click it, you will visit the course page directly. which I've opened it for now. And here is where you will see all the related information for this course. So ensure that you have this button in blue color, that is you have clicked on take this course. Only then you will be able to access any of the materials here. Okay, so if you see here, towards the end of the page, 1.1 includes indicates that there is in the day 1 or the class number 1 and first segment. So for easy viewing of the class material, we have segmented into different segments through the links that are provided on the presentation or the document which I use in the class to present to you all. You can click on this, view the presentation. To just hear to the audio, you can click on this. To just if you want to view the video, you can click on this and it will open in YouTube. Similarly, we have updated for all the 3 classes till the last week's class. Here, if you see, just ensure this presentation will be either attached to 3.1 or one of the last any one of these names, and this is the presentation, which is the class material that you will be able to refer to, make notes and practice. Now, after this, there are a few more questions related to the exam, related to the Sabha and how to procure textbook, or are there any other prerequisite courses, or what are other resources from where I can practice further. For all these questions, you have the answers in this page itself. For any eligibility and materials for you, if you click here, you'll be able to see the other related course or the basic course that will help you learn better and understand this particular course better. So you can click on these courses and you'll be able to access it. And similarly, to know more about the course, what is the syllabus, where do I get the textbook, you can click on any of these details that are provided in this course page, and through that you will be able to understand it better. So here, if you see, all the details, whatever I've shared in the slide is available here. And quickly I will show these 2 pages. One is getting started with Sanskrit. So this is one thing which is very useful to learn from the basics. Whatever Varnamala, Gunitaksharani, Sanyuktaksharani, and the basic words in Sanskritam, all this that we are learning in this course, to enhance your learning and to learn better and understand it better, I request you to go through these course materials so that it will be also a revision and you will be able to understand it better. And for those who are interested further to learn even other aspects of grammar that are not covered in this particular course, you can also refer to this Learn Sanskrit Level 1, which is also available on Vyoma portal itself. Along with this, there are a lot of apps that Vyoma has come up with. sanskritguru.com and then come to M-Learning, that is mobile learning. You'll be able to see the app list that is available. It is available in both Android as well as in iOS. So you can install these apps, and whenever you get some free time, or maybe for 5 to 10 minutes, you can just browse through these apps so that you will be able to revise a lot of concepts that we have already learned. And again, the Sura Saraswati Sabha website is also listed on our course page. You can visit this to know more information about the exam itself and the other details. So that will help you. And I hope this information is all captured in the course page, and only one place if you want to visit to access anything related to the course, you can come to our course page. Last but not the least, how to navigate to the channel and view the videos. You can just search Vyoma space, YouTube space Vyoma. So the first link itself will be your the Vyoma Samskrita Pathshala channel. Once you visit the channel, you'll be able to see playlists. Click on playlists, and there again you will get all the playlists that have been created, and you can see in the top you will also see this latest playlist, which is preparatory course for Sura Saraswati Sabha. Click on that and you will be able to see all the videos available, and you can proceed further. So hope this part is clear, and let me continue from our lesson now.